Assalamu alaikum to my YouTube fans. Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing fine. Right now these days weather is not good, so we have to take care of our skin, and for that I am going to just get my Hydra Facial done. So let's just come with me.
नहीं
It's really hot. So guys, it's really hot. The weather is really hot. Late night it was raining, even in the morning it was raining, and now I don't know, the weather is too much humid. It looks like it's about to rain again. I like that. I like this kind of weather. I don't like rain much, but I like this kind of weather. Not too sunny, not too cloudy, not rainy especially. Hello guys, so here we are finally after a long drive. Don't ask me to this. It's Friday and there was too much traffic on the road. Anyhow, we're here, so now let's just get changed quickly and let's get started, and I'll just share with you my review, so keep on that. Okay guys, so I'll take you guys step by step with me. This is the first step where they are applying cleanser on my face. Okay guys, so this is the second step. After removing the cleanser from our face, they've applied just a cleansing scrub mask. So we have to now wait for 10 to 15 minutes for let it just sit down. Okay guys, so it's the hydrating cream for vitamin E and vitamin C. Okay guys, so this is the third step where they're cleaning it off. It's the mask and starting pain. Guys, so the first step is cleansing exfoliation. So guys, the next step is creating it further with salicylic acid. So now this is the third section step with the hyaluronic acid. Guys, so we're wearing scrubber to exfoliate. Okay guys, so this is the pores closing mask. We've just applied it. It will just stay for 10 to 15 minutes. After that we will just start with the next process. So this is the next step. Let's see where this goes. Okay guys, so this is soothing and RF filter for the skin, and it is really soothing. I feel relaxed. Okay guys, so that's the result for the Hydra Facial, and I don't know if you guys can see or not, but clearly it's so smooth and my face is so hydrated right now and plump. I don't have any filter on and it's no makeup, so I just freshed up my face. So yeah, I don't know, it's pretty good. I really like it. So yeah, you should also try that out. Like, if not from here, try from somewhere else, because the weather is really humid and right now our skin really needs some extra care. So just try to keep hydrated, and while staying hydrated, keep your skin moisturized as well. So yeah, that would be all for today's vlog. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe.